Welcome! In this video, we're answering some of the most frequently asked questions about welding consumables. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, we've got helpful insights to make your welding projects more efficient and effective. Let's get started. What are welding consumables? Welding consumables are materials like electrodes, filler metals, and fluxes used during welding to form or protect the weld joint. Why are welding consumables important? They play a critical role in creating strong and clean welds by contributing to material bonding and protecting against impurities. Can I use the same welding consumables for all welding processes? No, consumables are process-specific. For example, MIG welding requires welding wire, while stick welding uses coated electrodes. How do I choose the right welding consumables? Consider the welding process, base material, joint type, and the required strength and finish of the weld. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.